Did you know plants can grow super fast in water? It's true. This amazing method is called hydroponics. Hydroponics helps plants grow bigger and faster. It's like giving your plants a superpower. Hydroponics is fun and easy. You can grow fresh food at home. Let's learn how to get started. Hydroponics means growing plants without soil. Instead of soil, plants grow in a nutrient-rich water solution. This method allows for more efficient use of water and nutrients, ensuring that plants get exactly what they need to thrive. Plants need water and nutrients to grow. In traditional soil gardening, plants have to search for these essentials in the soil, which can be inconsistent. But in hydroponics, the nutrients are delivered directly to the plant roots, making the process much more efficient. In hydroponics, we give plants these things directly. This direct delivery system means plants can grow faster and healthier because they don't have to expend energy searching for nutrients. Traditional gardening can be hard. It requires a lot of physical labor, from tilling the soil to weeding and pest control. Plus, soil quality can vary greatly, affecting plant growth. Weeds can take over your garden. They compete with your plants for nutrients, water, and light, making it harder for your plants to grow strong and healthy. Bugs can eat your plants. Pests can cause significant damage, sometimes destroying entire crops. Managing these pests often requires chemical pesticides, which can be harmful to the environment. And sometimes the weather is bad for growing. Too much rain can drown plants, while too little can cause them to wilt. Hydroponics solves these problems by allowing you to grow plants indoors, where you can control the environment. No soil means fewer weeds and pests. This cleaner growing method reduces the need for chemical pesticides and herbicides, making it a more sustainable option. You can control the environment for perfect growing conditions. With hydroponics, you can adjust the light, temperature, and humidity to create the ideal conditions for plant growth, leading to healthier and more productive plants. Let's dive into the fascinating world of hydroponics and explore 3 popular ways to grow plants without soil. These methods are not only innovative but also efficient, making them perfect for modern gardening enthusiasts. First, we have deep water culture, or DWC. This method is one of the simplest and most effective ways to grow plants hydroponically. In DWC, plants float on a raft, with their roots dangling directly in nutrient-rich water. This constant access to nutrients and oxygen allows for rapid growth and healthy plants. It's a straightforward system that's great for beginners. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge to get started, making it an excellent entry point into hydroponics. Second, we have the nutrient film technique, or NFT. This method is slightly more advanced, but offers incredible efficiency. In NFT, plants sit in a sloped channel, and a thin stream of nutrient solution continuously flows over their roots. This ensures that the plants receive a constant supply of nutrients and oxygen. This method is highly efficient and uses less water compared to traditional soil gardening. It's perfect for those looking to conserve water while still achieving excellent plant growth. Finally, let's talk about aeroponics. In aeroponics, plants are suspended in the air, and their roots are misted with a nutrient solution. This method provides maximum oxygenation to the roots, promoting faster growth and healthier plants. Aeroponics is a high-tech method that's perfect for fast-growing plants. It's often used in commercial settings due to its efficiency and the superior quality of the produce. Each of these hydroponic methods has its own set of pros and cons. For instance, while DWC is easy to set up and maintain, it may not be suitable for all types of plants. NFT is efficient, but requires careful monitoring to prevent clogging. Aeroponics, though highly effective, can be more expensive and complex to manage. It's essential to research and choose the best method that suits your needs, space, and budget. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, there's a hydroponic system out there for you. Happy growing! I started with a simple DWC system. It was a small setup, just a few buckets and some nutrient solution. I had no idea what to expect, but I was excited to see what I could grow. I grew lettuce, spinach, and herbs. It was amazing. Watching them sprout and thrive without soil was like witnessing a small miracle every day. The leaves were so green and vibrant. My plants grew so fast. Hydroponics is rewarding. Within weeks, I had a lush garden. The growth rate was astonishing, much faster than traditional gardening. It felt like I had a green thumb. You get fresh, healthy food year-round. Harvesting my own vegetables was incredibly satisfying. The taste was fresher and more flavorful than anything from the store. You'll save money on groceries too. Give hydroponics a try. The initial investment pays off quickly, and the savings on fresh produce are significant. Plus, it's a fun and educational hobby. You might be surprised by what you can grow. From exotic herbs to juicy tomatoes, the possibilities are endless. Hydroponics opens up a whole new world of gardening.